Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel and wish you guys a very happy new year. I know I'm a little late. Today is 16th of January, and by the time I post this video, I think January nikal hi gaya hoga. Since this will be my first video of 2025, rather the first vlog of 2025, then why not to just wish you guys a very happy new year. So, happy new year. And also, I'm thinking to vlog more in 2025 because honestly, sit down videos are not working, which I will talk about this later in the vlog. So that's that. It's 8:30 right now. Rahul is getting ready. He will leave in some time. I'm making his breakfast, and once he's gone, it's only going to be you and me. So let's start with our day and make breakfast. Finally, थोड़ी धूप निकली है. Yesterday, you could not see any of this. इतना ज़्यादा smog था क्योंकि fog तो होता ही नहीं ना दिल्ली में. And guys, I am so excited to unbox this cute little thing. It is from DG. It's the Osmo Pocket 3 camera. I'm so excited. Hi guys, I'm so excited. I'm not screaming, but बस यही है. But और बाकी the excitement is too much. I am unboxing this. I so wanted to unbox this with Rahul, but he left early today, and I was like, "Do you think you'll be coming home early?" He's like, "No, but why don't you just unbox it?" Because he saw the excitement and he was like, "It's okay, you unbox it." I'm like, "Okay, I'm unboxing this." So here I am. I've not seen this in person. Actually, thanks to my Jeej, he got it from Thailand. 2-3 दिन हो गए हैं दिल्ली आए हुए, but मैंने अभी तक इसे open नहीं किया. I thought I'll just open it in front of you guys. So let's unbox it. So this is DG Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. This is how the box looks like. जो reviews मैंने इसके देखे हैं, they're all amazing. It is so tiny and lightweight and easy to vlog. And this year, like I said in the morning, I'm thinking I'll vlog more than just making sit down videos. So I thought it's a good investment. It's a good thing if I have a gadget which is so convenient to use, and you don't have to hunt for a tripod and then phone, and it's very difficult phone pe vlog karna. So I thought that it's so convenient. Yeah, you can record sit down videos, you can record vlogs. So I thought, and Thailand में ये सस्ता भी मिल रहा था, so I told my Jeej कि ले लो. Let's see what we get inside this box. So I think this is the instruction guide. What is this? Achha, I think this is the protective cover. This is the cover. I think we have the camera in this. Okay, there's a bag. Very smart bag, I must say. Where do I begin? Like, there are too many things inside this. Okay, so this is the tripod. Very nice. भाई बहुत smooth है यार. Impressive. Then we have a mic. That's the mic. Different pockets for all the attachments. So mic will come here. The tripod will come here. That's great. सारा एक साथ नहीं डाल दिया. There are different sections. It's neat. It's nice. I'm not a techie kind of girl, so I'm just opening everything and I'm clueless. Like, I'm clueless. What is this? अच्छा, we'll see. अच्छा, ये माइक के ऊपर लगाते हैं. That soft thing. You call this, क्या बोलते हैं इसको? मैं नाम भूल गई. Dead cat? What? ये माइक के ऊपर लग जाता है ऐसे for noise cancellation, like that. Yeah, nice. I think this is the battery. हाँ, अभी देखते हैं ये यूज कैसे होती है. And ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Osmo Pocket 3. ये मेरे हाथ से भी छोटा है. It's so tiny. it. I have no idea how to open this, but it's so tiny and so lightweight. Hello, आज के समाचार. Please welcome my new camera. This is all you get inside this box. This is Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. And ये सारी चीज़ें इस बैग के अंदर आती हैं, very nicely packed. I love the bag. It's cushioned and quite sturdy, I must say. This is the protective cover to protect this whenever you're not using it. This one I still don't know what is this. I have to see the manual. Then this cute little tripod. It is so smooth to open. Then we have a mic over here and it comes with a dead cat. Isko dead cat hi bolte hain. I've searched it. This is that, and this is the charging wire. This is the battery. It goes here, and this is the strap जो आप इस कैमरे पर यहाँ पर लगा सकते हो. This is the camera. यहाँ पे ये स्क्रीन है, ये रोटेट हो जाती है हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड वर्टिकल. दिस इज सो टाइनी. मेरा हाथ बहुत छोटा है and see, it's that tiny and it is very lightweight. I think it'll be so convenient to use this. Love it. I love everything here. I'm so excited to use this. I'm thinking इसको मैं एक बार ऑन करके आपको दिखाती हूँ. Oh, so let's swipe. No SD card. Okay. Oh, ये ऐसे नहीं लग रहा है जैसे मिनी रोबो. दिस इज़ द हेड, बॉडी, ये पैर हैं, यहाँ से हाथ आएंगे. वाइल्ड इमेजिनेशन. हाँ. हाय गाइस, कैन यू सी मी देयर? हेलो 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 हेलो. Oh, you switch it like that. Hi, I'm here. I'm right here. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. You can actually control the lens with this button. So happy that I finally got a camera. And I'm very happy that I waited. बीच में ना मैं सोच रही थी that I'll buy a vlogging camera, but वो बहुत heavy होते हैं. And this is very convenient. I'm very happy with my buy, and it is cheaper in Thailand. So if you're traveling, फ़ोन पे रिकॉर्ड करना इज़ एक्सट्रीमली डिफ़िकल्ट. एक तो फ़ोन इज़ यूज फॉर कॉलिंग. अगर आप रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो और बीच में अगर किसी का फ़ोन आ गया तो यू जस्ट, एक तो आपका फ्लो ब्रेक हो जाता है. भाई फ़ोन के साथ क्या होता है दैट यू गेट द ट्राईपॉड, देन फ़ोन लगाओ, देन यू डोंट नो वेदर यूर इन फोकस और नॉट, क्योंकि आप बैक कैमरा यूज़ करते हो. फ्रंट कैमरा में वो क्वालिटी नहीं आती है. बैक कैमरा में कभी कभी फोकस नहीं होता, कभी कभी रिकॉर्ड नहीं होता. इट्स जस्ट अ होल थिंग. सी, आई एम लाइक, यू वांट प्रूफ, आई एम सिटिंग विद अ मिरर हियर. मैं मिरर से स्क्रीन मॉनिटरिंग कर सकती हूँ. अभी जो मैं सिट डाउन वीडियोस भी करती थी अभी तक, उसमें सब में आगे मिरर होता था, देन फोन होता था, ताकि आई कैन जस्ट सी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, यू नो, वेदर आई एम इन फोकस और नॉट. So I think life will be simpler now. Now since I've bought a new camera, I hope I will be more consistent and you will see me more here on my YouTube channel. Also, I said something in the morning कि sit down videos चल नहीं रही हैं, which is true, you know. Sit down videos takes a lot of effort. Background सही हो, light सही हो, focus पे हो, जो भी आप gadget use कर रहे हो record करने के लिए, वो अच्छी क्वालिटी का हो. प्लस द प्रोडक्ट्स यू यूज़, बिकॉज आई रिकॉर्ड मेकअप वीडियोज़. हाँ, देन आप बात कर रहे हो, कुछ कंस्ट्रक्शन नॉइज़ आ गई है या घर में किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया है, वो उस वीडियो में नहीं होना चाहिए. देन आप दोबारा वो लाइन रिपीट करो, दोबारा वो स्टेप रिपीट करो. देन प्रोडक्ट इंसर्ट्स लगाओ, हर एक प्रोडक्ट की फ़ोटो, हर एक प्रोडक्ट की इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन द स्क्रीन. Because if you're showing makeup, then you want to share as much as you can about the product, right? So वो वाला काम. then editing takes a lot of work. थोड़ा variety चाहिए होती है, थोड़े नए trends चाहिए होते हैं. It requires lot of research, lot of hard work, you know. एंड उसका जितना हार्डवर्क उसमें लगाओ एंड अगर व्यूज़ ना आए तो इट डजंट मेक एनी सेंस टू कीप रिकॉर्डिंग दैम, यू नो, बिकॉज इन द एंड what you want is people to see what you're doing, and if people are not seeing, then there's no point recording them. Am I saying that I will stop making sit down videos? No, but this is what I'm thinking, that in 2025 I will start vlogging more, because what I've realized, even me, you know, I love watching other people's vlog, and vlogs are more exciting to see कि क्या चल रहा है, what are you doing, what new things are you trying, क्या नया खरीदा या नहीं खरीदा, your life in general, your thoughts, your opinions. So everybody likes that, you know, कि what's happening in your life. It's like that relationship, you know, कि उसकी लाइफ में ये चल रहा है या उसकी लाइफ में वो चल रहा है. We all want gossip. झूठ बोल रहा है. That's the blunt answer. We all want gossip and we all are interested in what's happening in your life. It's just, we all like that. That's our human nature. Gossip is, right, it's not the right word for it, but everybody is interested in what's happening in your life. So if you're interested, if you want to know what's happening in my life and what I do in general, and my thoughts and my opinions and my life and the people, everything related to that, then hop on. It's just fun and entertaining, and so I thought that with sit down videos, why not to just start vlogging. So let's see how it goes. I'm very excited. There's so much in my head which I want to just talk about, but let's keep it to that for now. I will just explore this. I will just explore my new camera. Let's see where we reach. मैंने अभी एक गिम्बल की अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो देखी है, एंड उसमें ना एक वाइड एंगल लेंस भी आता है जो मुझे कहीं नहीं दिखा. इट वॉज सपोज टू बी देयर, बट मुझे वो दिखा ही नहीं यार. एक्चुअली वो इतना छोटा है ना कि आई थिंक वो मैंने मिस आउट ही कर दिया है देखना. वॉट इज दिस? ओह माई गॉड, वन सेकेंड, आई विल जस्ट शो इट टू यू. और कुछ तो नहीं है यार इसमें. आई होप आई हैव टेकन आउट. Oh, there's something else also here. Wait. What is this? सारा पोपट हो गया मेरी अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो का ना. दो चीज तो दिखाई ही नहीं मैंने. So this is the wide angle lens. मतलब ये मुझे पता भी नहीं चलता अगर मैं वीडियो नहीं देखती तो. Oh, nice. So this also has magnet here. Quite cool. And this one is, I think, is for the mic. Oh, yep, this is for the mic. So this is how you attach the mic. Place this magnet inside and just clip it like that. How cool is this?
लग रही है गाड़ी में, झटका दे दूं इनको मैं, इनकी नाक पे लग जाएगी.
Good morning guys. Look at Rahul's face. I'm recording in my camera. वो कैसी लग रही है तेरे को क्वालिटी?
बहुत अच्छी.
So I am on my way for my physiotherapy session. पिछले 4 दिन से मेरी नेक अटकी हुई है.
नहीं अटकी हुई नहीं है इसकी नेक.
So then
इसने सुबह बताया था कोई अटकी हुई नहीं है इसकी नेक, कि ठीक फील कर रही है.
Okay. Lot of sarcasm, Rahul. 4 दिन से मेरी नेक अटकी हुई है because I slept in a weird position.
Then why were you sleeping? पूरा बेड नहीं मिल पा रहा था. ये चुप है.
मैंने 4 दिन बहुत कोशिश की, हॉट वाटर पैक लगाया, लेकिन
एक ही दिन लगाया.
नहीं राहुल.
कंट्रोल.
चलो 2.
3 दिन लगाया है.
चलो 3 लगा ले.
तो 4 दिन से दर्द है, 1 दिन मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, 3 दिन मैंने हॉट वाटर बैग लगा लिया.
फ्रॉड बता रही है ये. फ्रॉड. 40 दिन से दर्द बता रही है, 3 दिन लगाया बैग.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
गाइज इतना मज़ा आ रहा है ना इसमें रिकॉर्ड करने में. लाइक इट्स सो टाइनी, लाइट वेट एंड सो कन्वीनियंट टू रिकॉर्ड. आई एम लविंग इट. सो आई हैव रीच्ड. अब फिजियोथेरेपी का 1 घंटे का सेशन कराती हूँ एंड देन लेट्स सी व्हाट आई डू. Hey guys, I don't even know where I left off, but I'm going to just continue from here. Last I remember I told you about my neck pain and I was going for physiotherapy session. I'm still taking physiotherapy for my neck pain. Apparently, I don't know how to sleep. Like, I don't know how to sleep. It was pretty painful. For 10 days, it was like severe pain. Now I'm feeling much better. Physiotherapy session abhi bhi chal raha hai to mobilize my neck and the shoulder and blah blah blah. Anyway, so my final thoughts on this DG Pocket 3 creator combo. I'm in love. Like, I'm in love. As soon as I saw it, I love this. And it is so convenient to use. Like, I'm just sitting here and like no tripod. I just picked up the camera, place it here and start talking. That's it. Like, it's so easy. I don't have to pick up my tripod, then phone, then make sure that it's in focus. Now there's a small little screen in front and I can see myself. I can see that it's recording. So I think लाइफ बहुत easy बना देता है ये कैमरा for sure. There's so many things I love about this camera. First thing that it's so tiny. मेरा palm बहुत छोटा है and ये कैमरा मेरे palm से भी ज़्यादा छोटा है. Like, imagine, like so tiny and so lightweight. Easy to carry, easy to walk around, easy to just vlog, easy to operate. बिल्कुल भी complicated नहीं है. And this tiny little screen in front is actually a touch screen, so you can record and then you can see your own videos on that. All the settings, you can just touch the screen and change whatever you want to change. And has a brilliant mic. अभी तक मैंने जो भी कुछ conversation किए हैं वो without mic किए हैं. Let me just switch this mic on and let me just show you कि इसकी audio quality कैसी है. So this is the audio with the mic. So convenient. This mic is Bluetooth operated, so no hassle there, and very convenient for sit down videos especially. So all in all, I love this camera and I've been looking forward to record more videos, vlog more, like do more things. I'm very excited, you know. So I love it. Excellent camera and I'm so happy. It is not a review video because I'm not a tech person. I don't know the technicalities of it, but as a person who's been recording for so many years, itna zarur pata hai that with this camera, it is convenient, it saves time, place it wherever. It is not complicated to use. It's so tiny, lightweight. Everything is just A++++. It's the experience that I'm sharing. It is not like whether it's worth it or not. You take the call, I don't know. But it is just my experience with this camera and I've been loving it. And I like the quality of the video as well. So that's that. So I'm going to just close this vlog now. This was me unboxing a new camera, rather my first camera. And I will see you guys super soon in another vlog. Till then, अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो कीजिए सब्सक्राइब. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. यार इसका वो कैसे चलता है? Motion
sensor.
Sensor.
Motion. Sensor.